Hello viewers, this is Kanisha Rahman. Assalamualaikum. Welcome to my cooking channel. In this video, I made some berry fruit salad and I took different kinds of berries. And also I add some cherry in here because cherry is my favorite. If you like, you can add your own favorite fruits in here. The processing is all are same. Sometimes you cannot get might be all of them because it's seasonal. That's why I got the blackberries too, so that's kind of a luck. For my fruit salad, I took raspberry, blackberries, strawberries, blueberries, and also I took cherry because cherry is my favorite. If you like, you can skip it, but it will looks also good in my bowl. I noticed that later on. So let's get started. So first of all, I cut the strawberries in a bite size and I just make it a little bit smaller because I like that way. I did almost 8 pieces, 1 strawberries. If you like, you can make it like 4 pieces. Sometimes we do fruit salad for the party. If you have a party tomorrow and you wanna cut it today or the day morning, please cut your fruits half or don't make it smaller because otherwise your fruits juices is gonna all drain out. First, I took a mixing bowl and then I'll drop all the fruits one by one. First is strawberries, then blackberries, then raspberries, blueberries, and the last one is cherry. And I sprinkle some lime just on the top for the flavor, and also I add some lime juice. Here's some black pepper, salt to taste, some coriander powder, and also half teaspoon of sugar, and mix gently. I took half teaspoon of sugar because all the fruits are sweet enough. If it's sour kind of, then add some little more. Now I took the serving dish and I dropped almost a cup of whole milk yogurt, and then I'll make it a flat surface. Then I'll put all the fruits on the top. For the yogurt, I am using Chobani Greek yogurt. This is the whole milk one. It's so creamy texture. I like it. And then I sprinkle some black pepper on the top for the little flavor. Now I'm adding the fruit mix on the top of the yogurt. Then I'm adding the mint leaves on the top of it. It's not only for the decoration, it's also give me the smell because it's fresh, totally fresh. I have no idea if you buy it you can get those kind of flavor or not, but it gave me nice aroma. And here is my fruit salad is ready. I hope you like this recipe and you'll try it. Let me know how you like it in my comments. If you love to add the yogurt, you can. If you don't like it, you can skip it. And varieties of fruits always give you the great motivation in your appetite, so try it out, and also subscribe my channel for my next video, and please share with your friends and family. Thank you.